Are you looking for a new crafty hobby and creative outlet so you can take some time for yourself this summer? Well, look no further, because we are launching the North American Adventure Cross Stitch Along project. This cross stitch project is perfect for beginners. There's full support available by myself and the team here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, or in our Facebook group now with over 20,000 lovely supportive members. You'll receive a full kit, all patterns only, and any other supplies you order, such as our lovely New York Taxi needle minder and step-by-step illustrated instructions. We also have hundreds of YouTube video tutorials to help get you started. A stitch along is a larger cross stitch project that's broken down into manageable bite-sized chunks. So this time the theme is North America. So we will be cross stitching some really cute motifs, such as landmarks, foods, animals, and flowers. It's super manageable, it's very exciting, and it's a great way to stay motivated while taking some time out for yourself. Our award-winning 5-star rated cross-stitch kits come with all of the top quality supplies you're going to need to get started with for a really joyous stitching experience. And your patterns are emailed straight through to you so everyone starts stitching at the same time. This is the 25th stitch along that we've hosted, and we are hosting 4 this year alone. So we're very experienced, and you can rest assured and take advantage of our 100% satisfaction and money back guarantee. I'm that confident you will love taking part in this cross stitch project. So please do head over to our website caterpillarcrossstitch.com and pre-order your project.